Hey there, Android users. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you communicate and get things done? Say hello to Chat GPT, your free artificial intelligence assistant, now available on Android. Chat GPT is an intelligent language model that can help you with tasks, answer questions, and even have a casual conversation. It's like having a super smart friend right in your pocket. With Chat GPT, you can get help with tasks like writing emails, creating lists, or brainstorming ideas. Receive instant answers to your questions on various topics. Generate creative text, from writing prompts to social media captions. And even have small talk with your AI buddy when you're bored. The best part? Our application is completely free, unlimited and in all languages. Download and install the app on your Android device for free from links below the video. So what are you waiting for? Get Chat GPT on your Android device now and experience the future of communication and productivity. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.